great morning to all of you. My name is Lakshika. I am the student of grade 8 in Sunrise Public School. Today I am here to play the role of teacher. My subject is SST and my topic is resources. Students, today we will start our new chapter number 1, resources. Resources. Anything that meets the needs of living beings is known as resources. Anything that meets the needs of living beings is known as resources. Anything that meets the needs of living beings is known as resources. For example, water. Water is used for drinking, irrigation, washing clothes, etc. Value addition. The changing of from a resource into a useful item is known as value addition. The changing of from a resource into a useful item. Value addition. The changing of from a resource into a useful item is known as value addition. For example, wood. We make the furniture with the help of wood. There are different types of resources on the different bases. First is development. There are two types of resources on the basis of development. First is actual resource. The resources which are fully utilized everywhere is known as actual resources. For example, oil, etc. Second is potential resource. The resources around us may not be fully utilized everywhere is known as potential resources. For example, wind energy in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Next is on the basis of origin. First is natural resource. Natural resource. The resources that we get from nature is known as natural resources. For example, air, water, etc. There are two types of natural resources. First is biotic and second is abiotic. Biotic resources. The resources that we get from living beings is known as biotic resources. For example, plants, animals, etc. Abiotic resources. The resources that we get from non-living beings is known as abiotic resources. For example, air, water, etc. Next is human resources. The physical or mental ability used for human beings is known as human resources. For example, roads, buildings, etc. Roads. We make electricity from the water. Electricity from the water. Next is on the basis of exhaustibility. First is renewable and second is non-renewable resource. Renewable resources, the resources that are replenished or renewed quickly after use. For example, air, water. Non-renewable, the resources that are not replenished or renewed quickly after use. For example, coal, fuel, etc. There are 4 types of resources on the basis of ownership. First is private resource, second is community, third national and fourth is international resource. First is private. Resources which are owned by individual or family. For example, housing. Second is community. The resources which are owned by all the members of community. For example, park. Third is national. The resources which lie in the boundary of a country and used all the citizens. For example, minerals. International. International resource. The resources which are used by all the peoples. For example, oceans. Different type of resources on the different bases. I hope all are you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.